What's going on, traders? Fella back at it this morning. How's all my traders doing? How's everybody? Gonna do a quick video today about Mullen. You already know. Got good news this morning, you guys, on Mullen. Let me take you to the article, you guys, real fast. All right. Mullen Automotive announces elimination of approximately $13 million in debt with less than $10 million of debt remaining, you guys, on balance sheet. Okay, you remember that company you guys were talking about? Who remembers that horrible company with the toxic financing? Let's read the article. Mullen continues to strengthen its financial balance sheet with the recent elimination of $13 million in company debt, which was associated with a debt obligation to Isuzu Holdings. It is anticipated that this debt conversion will save the company more than $3.5 million in interest expenses. Isuzu Holdings, you guys. This is the this is one of the most horrible financing agreements that Mullen was in, you guys. This company basically was shorting the stock and basically trying to buy the pennies by the company, basically the pennies on the dollar, you guys. We finally got out this debt today. This is a good news. You guys could go read this article. You guys know forward-looking statements and all that. But due to that, we do have a little squeeze pre-market, a little squeeze, short covering squeeze. Yesterday was a bad day for Mullen, but now we see why that we did have a lot of selling pressure yesterday. So this morning in pre-market, you guys could see it did break the downward trends. We do have the 50 MA, which was resistance. At first it was support. It finally broke, then it became resistance. And then yesterday it tested VWAP, if you can see right here, yesterday. As soon as it touched the VWAP, you guys, they shorted this thing back down. I'm pretty sure shorts got the news this morning and covered and right now we have to touch, like, if you guys do want to play this, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you like what I'm doing. Full disclosure, I am invested in this, but this has to crack the 50 MA and remain above it. You cannot buy this if it stays below the 50 moving average. It has to get above the 50 moving average and actually test it once or twice and go or get above it and stay above it. And hopefully that'll be like like how they say, a bullish divergence. You guys know, if you guys been watching the tape for the past few months, you would have seen a lot of this, a lot of that toxic financing on the tape, a lot of selling, a lot of dilution. But this company, if you're a long-term investor, dilution is good for the company. They had a couple good acquisitions. You guys purchased a lot of assets and a couple companies. Bollinger, pennies on the dollar. They had a recent contract with IGO. And they just had another recent acquisition, you guys. Let me show you what company was that. Let me let me pull that up real fast. Let me show you guys. I'm not trying to pump this stock, you guys, but the assets on the balance sheet like are worth more than the market cap on their stock. Not to mention they are on tour, you guys, right now. They are on tour, and I think it's Pasadena's the stop. Okay. Here we go. The IGO company, you guys. They licensed that, you guys. They hired John Schwagen from GM, whatever his name was. And then I'm trying to look for that one. ELMS was the company, Electric Last Mile Solutions. If you guys know about that, purchased, I believe, 50-60% of the company, you guys. The Bollinger one, you guys could go look up, read these articles, but the Bollinger one's a really nice thing. The goal with that is Class C vehicles, hopefully a military vehicle, you guys. But back to the stock, you guys could go to Yahoo Finance and read all that. But back to the stock, we do have pressure below VWAP and above the 50 MA. So you guys, if you do want to purchase, stock, do not take my advice. Do your own due diligence, but make sure at least it gets above the 50 moving average and test it a couple times. I'm holding for the long run. I really don't have time to trade right now, so I'm doing swinging and I'm doing long-term investing. I'm building like portfolios here and there, working on my SIE, you guys, and anybody has any questions, you guys, if you guys are new to trading, I'm still doing free one-on-one coaching sessions. Just you got to have a little patience with me. I'm scheduling them out like a couple a week, possible, probably. So maybe I could squeeze one or two people in. You guys, I really want to help people because when I first started, this was so hard to me, and it took me like 7 years, like really to understand all this and finally like be profitable, how they say. So any questions, you guys, leave in the comments. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. And you guys already know, you plan the trade the plan. Peace out.